Hi everyone, and today I'll teach you how to create a share folder to share files between your host OS and a VM. We'll be doing it for both Linux and Windows VMs today. So first, let's go right click on our desktop. Let's create a folder. We're going to call it share. Open VirtualBox. Let's go to settings, share folder. We are going to go to other, so we're going to find the folder. It's on our desktop, share, select folder, share, auto mount. You can also do read only if you don't want the VM to make changes to the folder, or you can also choose where you want to mount it. So for this, auto mount is fine. We'll say OK, and then we'll start the VM. Password's going to be password. Okay, let's go to files. We see our share, but we also can't access it. In order to access it, we need to open a terminal. We need to add our user to the VirtualBox share folder users. So to do that, let's do sudo add user to VBox share folder. Hit enter and type in our password. Okay. And then from there, let's see if we can access it. If we can't access it, sometimes it requires a reboot, which is fine. Let's do that. Hey, now we can access it. So let's open terminal here. Let's say touch test.txt. That'll create a file, test.txt. Then let's go out to our host, click share, and there it is. That worked perfect. Okay. So now let's close down our Ubuntu, and then we'll do the exact same thing for Windows. For Windows, go to settings again, go to share folder. We're going to point it to our share folder on the desktop. We're going to auto mount, and for Windows, pick a drive letter you're not using. So let's do F:, and then we're going to do \\, because remember that Windows uses backslashes instead of forward slashes like Linux for its drive selection. Hit OK, and let's start and see if it pops up. from here, let's go to our folder. This will also work on Windows 10. And then there's our share. Okay, let's click test. And just to verify that we have rights, we're just gonna write something in there. File, save. Let's close out the file. Now let's see if there's something inside of. It worked, awesome. Okay, it's properly shut down this time. And that's everything. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.